All right, I'm gonna show you some of this video here. It's a briefing from President Biden, and he's talking about how he is going to make the union strong or get more unions and different things. How he's going to make things are going to be purchased in America and not overseas. As you can see, the subject made in America, the future will be. Ooh, we'll see. But I know when he first got into office, the first thing he did was sign an executive order that provoked the Keystone Pipeline from going on. And that hurt a lot of people, lost about 2,000 jobs. But I'm going to let you listen to some of this. I couldn't listen to it all, but tell me what you think in the comments below. Here you go.
Good afternoon, folks. I'm going to make some brief remarks, sign an executive order, and then take your questions, if that's okay with you all. Last week, we immediately got to work to contain the pandemic and deliver economic relief to millions of Americans who need it the most. And today, we're getting to work to rebuild the backbone of America, manufacturing, unions, the middle class. It's based on a simple premise that will reward work, not wealth in this country. And the key plank of ensuring the future will be made in America. I've long said that I don't accept the defeatist view that the forces of automation and globalization can keep union jobs from growing here in America. We can create more of them, not fewer of them.
Today, as I speak, over 2,000 women and men have lost their jobs or are heading home from good-paying union jobs as a result of this decision.
I don't buy for 1 second that the vitality of American manufacturing is a thing of the past. American manufacturing was the arsenal of democracy in World War II, and it must be part of the engine of American prosperity now. That means we're going to use taxpayers' money to rebuild America. We'll buy American products and support American jobs, union jobs. For example, today I'm taking the first steps in my larger Build Back Better recovery plan that invests in American workers, unions, and businesses up and down the supply chain. And I know that previous presidents entered office by promising to buy America and instituting the Buy American policy. But here's why this is different and not the same. I'll be signing an executive order in just a moment, tightening the existing Buy American policies and go further. We're setting clear directives and clear explanations. We're going to go to the core issue with a centralized, coordinated effort. Look, today, I'm creating a director of Made in America at the White House Office of Management and Budget, who will oversee our All of Government Made in America initiative. That starts with stopping federal agencies from waiving Buy American requirements with impunity, as has been going on. If an agency wants to issue a waiver to say we're not going to buy an American product as part of this project, we're going to buy a foreign product, they have to come to the White House and explain it to us. I'll stop here and sign the executive order, and then come back and take some of your questions. This executive order is entitled Ensuring the Future is Made in America by Americans, all of American workers.
But if you look at this, the full briefing, you're going to notice that none of the reporters asked them about the signing of the executive order of the Keystone that have put 2,000 people out of jobs.
There you go. Now I'll be happy to.
All right, thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, turn on your notifications, and share this video. Also leave comments. Thanks for watching Welding and Stuff.